I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You have admin rights and a backup. Now start by discovering where DNS is resolved. On your machine, run the resolver status or check network settings to read the current server IP and protocol. On the router, log in and open the DNS or WAN panel. If you use do H or do T, note the provider URL and port. Once done, record these values so you can compare expected secure endpoints against what actually appears. Next, run active checks. Use dig or enslookup to query known domains and request DNSSEC validation flags. Inspect the AD or do bits. For do T, attempt a TLS handshake to the resolver on port 853 and confirm the certificate matches the provider. For do H, perform an HTTPS request to the do H endpoint and verify TLS chain and hostname. Make sure responses contain expected records and validation metadata so you can distinguish a secure response from an intercepted or downgraded one. To fix issues, update resolver settings to the correct secure endpoint and purge any stray static entries. When using do H/do T, paste the provider URL and port exactly. Restart the network service or reboot the router to ensure new configs apply. Then, rerun the validation commands to confirm TLS certs and DNSSEC flags are present. If you still fail, enable verbose DNS and TLS logging and capture packet traces so you can pinpoint interception, misconfiguration, or certificate mismatches and resolve them accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.